Open the driver's side door. Now right there, that's the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the emblem there, that's the secondary hood release lever. So lift up the hood with one hand, and then you gotta put one finger in there, push it up, and the hood opens up. You need a prop rod to secure it in place. Get the prop rod out and put it in the slot with the arrow marking it over there. Once it's in there, let go off of it, and now it's secure in place. Now once the hood is open right there, that's where the engine air filter is, in that black air box. We've got to take off the screws, and in order to do that we are going to need this T25 bit. Again, T25, that's the screwdriver bit you need. If you've got like a ratchet head, that's even better. Let's start taking it off. Again, this is the only time consuming part about the whole video, is because the screws are just long, and there are 7 screws in total. So we just took off 2. That's 3, 4, 5 over there, right? And now there are 2 more in the back, so 6 and 7. Yep, right there. So let's go on and continue and take all the 7 screws off and keep them somewhere safe. You don't want to lose them, right? Again, actually replacing the filter only takes like a minute, but it's the screws part which takes the longest time. Now right there, those are the 7 screws. Keep them somewhere safe. And now let's move on to replacing the filter. Just lift up the top part of the air box, comes right out. Lift it up and then pull the filter out. Just like that. So outside air comes from the bottom, gets filtered, all the dirt gets trapped in the bottom, and filtered clean air goes up from the top into the engine. As you can see, the top part is clean. Now for now I'm just going to put this filter back on, but in your case you have to replace the filter. So get the new filter, slide the filter in there. It sits right there snug. There should not be any gaps, right? Just like that. Simply put the top part of the air box back on and tighten the 7 screws. Again, that's plastic to plastic, so don't go crazy tight. You just gotta make sure that like it's not moving, and it's all the way in there, and it's like snug. Yep, that's looking good. Again, if you go too tight, it's gonna crack the plastic, and you don't want any of that trouble. But yeah, that is pretty much it. In order to take it off, you gotta first push the hood, get the rod out of there, put it back in its place, lower the hood, and then just slam it shut.